Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best carpet cleaning machine for pet urine in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner Machine. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine is a perfect carpet cleaner that you can purchase from the market. If you have a pet around your house, you can think about buying this cleaner without having any second thoughts in mind. The best thing about Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine is that the functionality offered by it is supported by big motors. Therefore, you can get a powerful and effective cleaning experience. It can also loosen and extract the urine stains from your carpets in an effective manner. You will be able to receive an excellent service out of this machine as well. The amount of money that you will be spending to buy Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine will be totally worth it. That's because the machine is made out of the best quality ingredients and you can expect it to deliver positive results to you for a long period of time. Every single time you use the product, you will be able to end up with a perfect experience. You will be impressed with the powerful scrubbing action that it can deliver to you. You will also be able to get Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine along with 2 big tanks. Hence, you will find plenty of space available in it to get the cleaning work done at your home. Advantages. It comes with a powerful motor that can help you clean dirt. There are large tanks, which can help you to secure a continuous cleaning experience. The product is backed up with a comprehensive 5-year warranty period. Disadvantages. It is relatively bulky for most people. At number 2. Bissell ProHeat Carpet Cleaner. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner will make sure that no stains are left after you complete the cleaning work. Therefore, you will fall in love with the functionality that this carpet cleaner can offer to you. Pet urine on the carpets can often give life to a skunk odor. While you are using Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner, you will be provided with the chance to overcome that odor as well. Most of the experts tend to call Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner a revolutionary cleaner available out there. The strength that you can find in the cleaner is that it is so powerful. You will be able to get a perfect experience with the brush roll system as well. Along with that, you can secure a faster drying time as well. All sorts of pet odor and pet urine left on your carpet will be removed by this pet cleaner. Therefore, you don't need to worry too much at the time of buying Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner. However, it is important to understand that this cleaner is not available for your purchase at an affordable price tag. The benefits you will be able to get from the amount you spend would be worthy. Hence, you can go ahead and invest to buy the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner. Advantages. You can get a perfect pet urine cleaning experience with it. It can also help you to remove the odor created by pet urine on your carpets. This carpet cleaning machine comes along with a simple operational experience. Disadvantages. You will have to spend a lot of money to get it. At number 3. Bissell ProHeat 2X Upright Carpet Cleaner. If you are interested in purchasing a full-sized carpet cleaner, you can go ahead and invest to buy Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Full-Size Upright Carpet Cleaner. It will be able to deliver a great experience. You can think about calling this the ultimate carpet cleaner that you can purchase from the market as well. One of the most outstanding features that you can find in this carpet cleaner is the presence of a unique brush roll system. It can deliver a perfect carpet cleaning experience to you at all times. Therefore, removing pet urine from your carpets will never be a painful activity to do. It can guarantee to deliver positive results by removing pet urine from the carpets. Due to the same reason, you will even call it one of the most helpful carpet cleaners that a pet owner can get. Among the different carpet cleaners available for purchase, Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution PET full-size upright carpet cleaner has been able to earn a positive reputation for delivering a faster drying time to you as well. There will not be any stains or odors left after the cleaning process. The dual dirt filter will offer a maximum cleaning experience. Advantages: it can deliver a faster carpet drying time to you. You will be able to get a super quick carpet cleaning experience. It will make sure that no stains or odors are left after the cleaning job. Disadvantages: refilling the water tank can be frustrating. At number 4, Bissell Deep Clean Deluxe Pet Carpet Cleaner. Bissell is another brand that has been able to maintain a positive reputation throughout the past by offering the best carpet cleaners to people. As a pet owner, you can also think about investing in the Bissell Deep Clean Deluxe Pet Carpet Cleaner offered by them. That's because this carpet cleaner will make sure that you get an effective and hassle-free cleaning experience at the end of the day. The main reason why people prefer to go ahead with carpet cleaners offered under this brand is due to affordability. You will be able to save a considerable amount of money by going for this brand. It is applicable to Bissell Deep Clean Deluxe Pet Carpet Cleaner. You will be able to get a perfect pet urine cleaning experience without spending a fortune with the help of it. You will be able to get a 12-inch cleaning path with this carpet cleaner. In addition to that, it comes along with a 1.25-gallon tank. You will never have to worry about the corded design of this carpet cleaner. That's because you will be getting a 22-foot cord, which can be used to make the carpet cleaner to any corner around your home with ease and get a wonderful carpet cleaning experience. Advantages: this is an affordable carpet cleaner that you can buy. You will be able to get a bigger tank with the carpet cleaner. The carpet cleaner can offer excellent results to you with pet urine removal. Disadvantages: the durability offered by this carpet cleaner is a bit questionable. At number 5, Bissell Jet Scrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. Bissell Jet Scrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner is a perfect example of an amazing carpet cleaner. Therefore, any person who wishes to get hold of the carpet cleaner machine for pet urine can think about buying this as well. The carpet cleaner has specifically been designed to deliver a deeper cleaning experience to the users. Therefore, you will find it an easy task to remove pet urine from your carpets with the help of Bissell Jet Scrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. There are 2 different tanks in Bissell Jet Scrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. Due to the same reason, you will be able to keep dirty water away from clean water. This will contribute towards the effective carpet cleaning experience that you will be able to end up with. This is a perfect example of a user-friendly carpet cleaner as well. You will find it an easy task to use the product and get your work done around the home. Instead of using a vacuum cleaner to deal with the pet urine stain and making things get worse, you can think about using a product such as Bissell Jet Scrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner to get a better cleaning experience. You will be impressed with the functionality that it can offer to you by keeping the carpets clean at all times. Advantages: it can deliver a powerful deep cleaning experience. This is a lightweight, yet a compact product. You will be able to secure a faster cleaning experience with this carpet cleaner. Disadvantages: numerous customers complain that this is a noisy carpet cleaner. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today,